A lot of people ask me what a healthy snack is, and it's definitely not some of those potato chips and things like that are just basically carbs and bad fats. I have one that I'm really fond of, and it works with kids too. You're gonna get an air popper, organic popping corn. Pop the popcorn, usually it's a half a cup, and once it's done, spritz it with a mixture of a little bit of butter, like a tablespoon, with 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Put that on the popcorn. Once you've done that, take a mixture of a tablespoon of chili, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a half a tablespoon of light sea salt, and you mix it all up and you sprinkle it on the popcorn. What you end up with is a whole grain snack that is actually full of antioxidants, natural antibiotics, and will reduce your risk of heart disease and cancer by at least 25%. Just that little thing right there is very, very helpful.